I'm Naray at the Halton Hills Public Library, and today we're going to be making mini tie-dye t-shirts. So once you've gotten your grab-and-go kit from one of our branches, come on back, watch this video, and we'll make this cool STEM activity together. You ready? Let's get started. In your kit, you'll receive 2 paper towel sheets, 2 rubber or elastic bands, 1 plastic or wooden spoon to act as your water dropper, and 2 t-shirt cutout pages. What you'll need is some glue or tape, a small cup for water, scissors, different colored washable markers, and an old towel or newspaper to protect your work surface. You'll notice first that the paper towel is in the shape of a rectangle. We're going to begin by folding that rectangle into smaller sections. Keep folding until you get the smallest rectangle that you can make. Next, we're going to use one of our rubber bands and wrap it around our small square. I've wrapped mine so that it makes this T shape, but you can wrap yours in any design you'd like. Using the second elastic band, I'm just going to go over my rectangle until I get this V shape in the middle. Now I have several different types of shapes on my surface. I see rectangles, I see triangles, and now I'm going to color in those shapes with my markers. Using your small cup of water, you're going to take your plastic or wooden spoon and you're going to use it as a dropper to add drops of water to the paper towel. Once you've added drops of water to one side, flip it over and do the other. Don't forget to do the sides, the corners. You want to keep adding drops of water until your paper towel is damp to the touch. Once your paper towel is damp, you're going to carefully remove your elastic or rubber bands without tearing the paper towel. You'll notice that the paper towel absorbed all the water and spread throughout the material, carrying the ink from the markers with it. This is known as solubility. Now we're going to set our paper towels aside to dry and cut out our t-shirt templates. Be sure to ask a grown-up for help if you need it. Now we're going to attach our tie-dye paper towel to our t-shirt template. So one little tip that I have for you is at the sides where the t-shirt, where the armpits are, you're just gonna make a little cut so that it can fold nice and easily, okay? So just a little cut there to help you out. there you have it, your tie-dye t-shirt. I have two.